In this lesson, we will be calculating variance for one of our unfinished orders. But before we do that, there is one thing we need to check from the configuration side. Let's open transaction OKG9. This transaction is used to link controlling areas with result analysis versions. Result analysis version allows you to maintain different versions of a result analysis key. As you know, result analysis key is used to control how WIP should be calculated for different orders. If you check any of the process orders we created, you can find result analysis key on the Control tab of the order. When we are using multiple valuation views, variances for WIP need to be calculated for all the valuation views. This is achieved by maintaining these three result analysis versions for the controlling area using multiple valuation views. In your environment, you will probably see just version 0 maintained for the controlling area we are using, so you need to add these two rows using the New Entries button here. You will see the versions available in this list. Just double-click them, and the system populates all the data for the version automatically. After you have maintained the result analysis versions, we can go to transaction KKAX that is used to calculate variance for a single work-in-progress order. Enter the process order number of an unfinished order. Make sure the period is correct and press Execute. You can see that WIP has been calculated for all the valuation views. Once again, there is some cost element master data missing from IDES that might prevent you from running the WIP calculations. The system might give you an error message saying that some cost elements are missing. You can add the cost elements using transaction KA06. Check the error messages for the missing secondary cost element numbers and then copy them, for example, from the controlling area 1000, which has more complete data maintained for it. Let's post settlement for the WIP order using transaction KO88. Make sure that the period is correct and press Execute. Let's check what happened in the material ledger related to the posting for this settlement. When we check the production folder, we can see that no new postings are visible. When we are posting settlement for WIP orders, the system does not create a material ledger document. Now it's time for you to calculate variances for all the finished and unfinished orders you have created. You can calculate variances for all your finished orders at the same time using transaction KKS1 and all your WIP orders using transaction KKAO. Settlements for all your orders can be posted at the same time using transaction KO88. In the next lesson, we will start going through the steps related to the closing of the material ledger and performing periodic actual costing run.